Country Thunder, LiftedTrucks.com held a raffle for a free lift kit. LiftedTrucks.com actually delivers on our giveaways. This is the story of the lucky winner seeing his truck completely transformed into a lifted off-road beast.
What's up, guys? Kyle here from LiftedTrucks.com. Today we've got Chris Stein's 2014 F250. We're going to be doing a 6-inch kit, 20-inch fuel off-road wheels, and massive 37-inch tires. I can't wait to reveal it to him. The thing is going to be a beast.
Oh, hey, I'm Chris. I won the lift kit from Country Thunder, and I'm about to see my truck for the first time. What? Let's go. Wow. Wow. What? That's unreal. Wow. Speechless.
We did a 6-inch BDS Stage 2 radius arm. You got brand new Fox 2.0s on all 4 corners, full spring kit. We did the 20-inch fuel D675s like we talked about, and the 37-inch. Nitto tires, fresh alignment. Thing is dialed, man.
Dude,
amazing.
Dude, it looks awesome. I couldn't be happier with the way my truck turned out. Thank you to LiftedTrucks.com for setting me up, and Country Thunder as well.
Go now to LiftedTrucks.com.